camera speed.
Go for it.
Question one, take one, Mark.
Probably meeting Jordan, to be honest. He just means so much to me. My favourite experience has been, this sounds quite cheesy, but probably just being on set and seeing the buzz of it, because it's almost like a mini city, isn't it, when you're there? People are always off doing their own thing, it's quite hectic, but yeah, I'd probably say just seeing how set works.
Same answer for me, to be honest.
Oh, cheater.
No, like seeing the props and stuff, and yeah, the set's cool, meeting new people.
I think for me it's kind of finding a place in a department where I belong, because I didn't really have an idea of where I wanted to be, but working on my on my last two jobs, I think I found a place where I'd like to be and I'd like to progress in the future.
That's me, same as me, to be honest. I mean, I came into this not knowing what department to do, but and the location has a big family feel to it, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's what I enjoy the most.
I think going off what you said, George, is just not just like seeing everything, but like understanding where everything comes from. Because like I've always watched television and gone, that's cool, where did you find that? And like being able to go to like prop houses and like working with prop buyers and being like, what, we're looking for this is where we go, and seeing all these incredible places full of props is just the best experience.
I think as well getting your head around the scale of it, because you don't realise just how it's massive. Even if you're doing something little, it's still huge.
I mean, that's what, like anyone that we sort of maybe hire a location from, that's every time what they say is, I just can't believe how big it is, how many people are involved.
Yeah.
Also think about like every aspect is thought about, like from the tiniest prop to something you see in the far background, like everything is thought about from beginning to end, and it takes so many people to create those. I think seeing that from the other side, so like in front of the screen, behind the screen, like that's been one of the best experiences.
You have a better answer than me.